What's up? Welcome back. So last night, finally started up the nice old Z06, ZX6. I don't know. I said ZO. Anywho, started up last night and ran her for a bit, looking for oil leaks. I'm not really seeing any. I still got like bolts missing. I gotta take the gas tank off. I gotta put the airbox screw in. But started it up, and it didn't want to start up. Actually, that was before last night. That was early in the day yet. But anyways, I'd crank it over, go to start it up, and that fire light would come on. And I tried to diagnose it, and it wouldn't diagnose anything for me. So what you do is you take this little thing. I'm sure that's the right one. But there's supposed to be something like this, and then you just ground it out. And it wouldn't flash that light for me. So I was like, well, there's got to be something more than just. I also got to route this, but we were just trying to get it running. Anyways, so I don't know why I said we. I was just trying to get it running. So anyways, what I wound up doing. So if you're having problems, let's put this back where it belongs. Because check it for spark, and I don't want to take a spark plug out. So I took it out of this where I already knew they were loose. Checking for spark. But anyways, I unhooked like 4 different sensors. Yeah, 4 different sensors. Cam position one, and then the 2 air, I believe, air vacuum ones. They would be like right in front. I'm not going to tear this all apart, but to show you. But anyways, they'd be the 2 in front of your like if you your throttle bodies. I'm sorry, I'm like brain dead. Anyways, it'd be the 2 black ones in front of your throttle bodies. Like one's gonna be like right here, and the other's gonna be like over here. And then the cam position one, which is up front, which is right in there. I hooked them. I sprayed some. I sprayed some ether down in there, kind of clean them out, and then I dabbed everything with some dielectric grease. Slapped it all back together. Left the airbox out. Thought I hooked up the fuel line. I made a post, but anyways, it drenched my whole leg because I didn't hook up the fuel line, and it kept shooting out and covered my leg, soaked through my underwear and everything. But anyways, let's make sure you hook that up. But I made a little short about that, and the FI light came on. It stayed on. It wouldn't even flash anymore. Like it just got to the point where everything was unhooked and it quit flashing. And but that was because my airbox one was undone. Hooked the airbox up, slapped everything together like it is now. Started right up. So yeah, we opened the door. We let it idle for like 10 minutes, and it's not leaking. So that's cool. So it doesn't leak. Now I gotta take the seat. I just gotta lift the seat up, and I gotta route this, and then I gotta just throw the airbox screw back in, bolt in, tighten all this down. But yeah, so anyways, the point of this video is if you wind up having troubles because you've done something and now you need to fix it, the best thing I'd suggest is, if it was working before you tore into it, now it's not working, unhook your connectors, clean them out, and then just plug them, put some dielectric grease in there and plug them right back in and see if it works then, because it was a super simple fix for this bike, but it took me a while to get there. I think we're going to run over to the gas station, kind of see how I like the setup, and that's about it. I don't even know if we're going to do that because it's like 19 degrees out right now, and it's cold. Cold. But she starts up, so that's cool. I'm not going to start it up just to show you that it starts up and shut it right back off, because I don't like starting a motor up and then just shutting it right back off without making sure everything gets good lubrication, because until that motor oil actually gets up to operating temperature, you're not doing any good. So yeah. Oh my gosh, this bike looks so sexy though. All my bikes look sexy to me. So I guess that's me. But yeah, sometimes it's super simple, stupid stuff that wind up getting you, and just take your time and run through the process again, and maybe you'll figure it out. We got to do an oil change on this yet. I've been slacking, but it's not quite ready to ride. So yeah, we aren't in like a huge rush. But yeah, I mean, she's ready to rip. I think we're gonna, if it warms up this Saturday, I think it's supposed to be like 40 some degrees. We're gonna take her out for a spin. And this is the only stunt bike I know that is running mirrors. At least these kind of mirrors. I should get bar ends, but that's something for another day. We'll get there. We're slowly building it the way we want it. Yeah, I'm super excited to get this bad girl back out. Right. I guess I can't give you information on which one it was because I unhooked all of them. But yeah, clean your stuff up, make it look nice. Double check it. This bike's slowly getting cleaned up. She's not leaking, so that's really cool. We've accomplished our goal. Now we get to throw it back together. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna tighten up my chain before I take it for a spin. But don't tell anyone. Shh, it's our little secret. Right. Guess have a good day. Peace.